The first step is collect the power supply, just like here. The second step, we can open the source. And we will waiting until the net changes to green. And we also can hear the brake release voice.
那正常。你那个只有在你叫出来的那一刻可以看到，后续你看不见的，你叫出去的时候在那底下叫完了。
Okay. The next step, we can setting the parameters about current, voltage, ARCN, and the speed, and waves. We can choose these waves. This plants are signal waves, and now, okay. The next step, we can start for the welding. Okay, and now we can and the button here. And the button here. And the button there. 等一下，没录到。在哪里？这。OK. Button here. OK. And here. Click 3 minutes. OK. Let's begin. And we can start here. OK. It's welding.